Hi, kindergartners! Today we are going to be reading Hannah Sparkles, A Friend Through Rain or Shine by Robin Mellom. The story goes, I was born happy. I didn't cry one bit. Smiled all the time, my parents say, even in my sleep. They say I still smile in my sleep. My parents are proud. See their proud faces? To me, smiling is necessary. Also necessary? Pom-poms. Pom-poms are the best way to show excitement. Twirl, sparkle, shine. I share my sparkle at breakfast. Totally delicious. And in the car? Excellent left turn, Mom. And when dessert arrives, nice presentation. Ugh, I may have overdone it. When I'm not cheering with my pom-poms, you might find me drawing. Happy drawings, of course. Today I was in my room making a double rainbow, because why stop at one, right? Mom stuck her head in. I have some news, Hannah. This was perfect. I love news. We have new neighbors, my mom said. Their daughter is your age. Her name is Sunny Everbright. A girl, my age, next door, and her name is Sunny Everbright? That's the happiest name ever, and this is better than a pet unicorn. I couldn't wait to introduce myself. I even left my pom-poms behind. That's how excited I was. I flashed a friendly smile and knocked out a happy beat on her door. Hi, I'm Hannah. Welcome to the neighborhood. Do you like riding bikes? No. Finding butterflies? No. Drawing unicorns? No. I was worried. Maybe her teacher had only taught her one word. But I had a final idea that she wouldn't be able to resist. I've got it. How about leaving flowers in the mailbox for the mail carrier? I wasn't sure what to do, but then it hit me. Project. I knew it right then and there. If we were going to be friends, I would have to teach Sunny Everbright how to be happy. It was time for her to sparkle. We started off slowly. For drawing hearts, magenta is your go-to color. Then we got more advanced. For a cute decoration, daisies are your go-to flower. And then, super advanced. If you need a smile, the strawberry is your go-to fruit. Nothing was working. I knew there was one thing that couldn't possibly fail. Pom-poms and a happy cheer. Slide, sparkle, shine. Flip, sparkle, shine. Skip, sparkle, shine. But I just couldn't seem to get Sunny to smile. And then it happened. Rain. Lots of it. I will admit, I am not good with rain. It does not make me happy. Everything gets so wet and droopy and soggy. But Sunny did the strangest thing. then even stranger, and then super strange. I couldn't figure out how to get Sunny to be my friend. She didn't like all the things that make me happy. I wasn't feeling sparkly inside. Not even one little sparkle. That night I told my mom I don't understand Sunny. Why don't all my favorite things make her smile? We all find happiness in different ways, Hannah. Maybe Sunny finds her sparkle in other things. I perked up at this. Like rain, or mud, or lizards? My mom hugged me tightly. Exactly, Hannah. Even lizards. And guess what? The next morning, I found out my mom was right. Sunny had her own kind of sparkle. And this letter says, "Wanna play in the rain today?" Twirl, sparkle, shine. I have a feeling the two of us will always be friends, through rain or shine. The end.